This is Realme 12 I have in front of me, and in today's video I'll show how you can perform an initial system setup on this device. So first, tap at the arrow button here, then select what language you would like to have your setup in, and consequently the system itself. Now choose your respective region, or country to be more precise. Now make sure to read and accept the user agreement and privacy/security and protection policy. Now optionally you can insert a SIM card if you have one, or you can skip this step and, well, do it at any point in the future if you need to. Well, probably you will, but, well, all I'm saying is you are not obliged to do that now. Anyways, here you can also optionally set up the Wi-Fi connection, or you can skip this step, or, well, rather here, tap at the skip button if you wanna, and perform this setup in the offline mode. I will personally connect to a Wi-Fi, since presumably that's what most of you will do as well. Now hit the next button, wait a few minutes it says, but I would rather use a few moments wording here, since it doesn't take anywhere near a few minutes usually, so maybe a few dozen seconds at most. Now you can copy your apps and data from your old or previous device you've been using, or you can just select the Don't Copy option and set this phone new, should I say, or clean rather. Now optionally you can sign into your Google account, or you can skip this step and do that later on. No pressure here. Here you have the Google services selection, so enable the services you would like to use, or rather you agree on using, and disable the services that you do not want to be used here. Now choose your default search engine. So here's the full selection. You can read the details regarding it, like a brief description, like the promo script, or promo text rather. Now optionally you can set up the screen lock your screen with either biometrical data or classic password pattern PIN trio, or you can skip the step and leave your screen unprotected. That is up to you once again. Now you are able to review additional apps that will be automatically installed. Deselect the apps you do not want to be installed. I will deselect all of them, since I have no need in neither of the apps we had on the list. Here, choose your preferred system navigation type. The choices are the classical old digital buttons, or the new and fancy, should I say, gestures. I'll go with gestures, since I'm more comfortable with them in particular, but this decision is entirely up to you. Now, there are the Realme services you want to enable or disable to your liking, so do that. Then hit the Done button, get started, and your system is fully set up and configured, so you can start using it instantaneously after. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.